This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on the James Dix Financial Network. I'm Jack Lott. In the news today, employers increased their hiring in May, which boosted payrolls by 157,000 people, the most in 2 months. Unemployment rate held steady, though, at 4.5%. Consumer incomes dropped a bit in April, but that didn't stop them from spending briskly. Commerce Department reports today that personal incomes fell by 0.1% in April, following a robust increase of 0.8% the month before. Consumer spending rose by a strong half percentage point in April. Consumer sentiment weakened just slightly in late May. The University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index fell to 88.3 in late May from 88.7 earlier in the month. And the Institute of Supply Management reporting that U.S. manufacturers expanded their businesses in May at a slightly faster pace than they did in April. National Association of Realtors said pending sales of U.S. homes fell by 3.2% in April, with sales in the west and the northeastern regions of the country making the bigger drops. Dow Jones and Company traded higher after the Bancroft family, which holds a controlling interest in the media company, said that it will meet with Rupert Murdoch's News Corp and any others interested about a possible sale of that company. Earnings news today. Dell came out yesterday, beat Wall Street estimates in their first quarter, but said it would eliminate 10% of its workforce over the next year as part of a broad plan to trim costs at that company. And Kirkland's, a specialty home decor retailer, said reaction to some of its merchandise has had mixed and forecast a wider loss in the fiscal second quarter. Scheduled economic reports next week. Should be a busy week. Factory orders for April, the ISM Services Index for May, first quarter productivity, wholesale inventories, consumer credit, and the trade gap report all for April. As we approach the end of the earnings season, Bob Evans Farms is due out with their earnings reports next week. Krispy Kreme Donuts, Copart, Rex Stores, Korn Ferry International, Smithfield Foods, Neiman Marcus, and Vail Resorts. Stocks in the news today. Sienna, they were up 17% after the company reported another profit, lifted its sales forecast. And Incisive Pharmaceuticals announced that Canada's health authority has approved its Thalen drug for treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension. And that's the latest on the Market Wrap for a Friday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.